Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and after a moment of holding it, you will see the boot options. From here, select power off, and when the phone turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. When you see the logo, you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume up, and in a moment we should have Android with no command. There we go. Once you see this page, hold power button and press volume up once, and this will redirect us to the recovery mode. And here, using volume buttons, you can navigate through the options, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over all the options that we have access to, we have things like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which is actually fast boot mode, just like the other option, which is named correctly. Then we gotta apply updates from SD card, wipe data, mount system, vlogs, run tests, and power off. So in any case, I'm gonna select first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this will now just bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.